be the first to welcome you to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, where the current time is now 11 a.m. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off, and keep the house clear of all items. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and surrounding areas to ensure you have all of your belongings, like cell phones, tablets, chargers, and most importantly, your passports. We open overhead compartment. Please be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may not use your cell phones as we make our way to the gate. We know you have a choice in airlines, so whether you're staying here in the Dominican Republic or passing through, we thank you for choosing American Airlines to be a part of your journey, because you're why we fly.